Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11, beginning at Mississippi Mile 115 near the town of Heidelberg just off to the west and driving into an unincorporated area called Stafford Springs. Edward Stafford, who arrived in the late 19th century, gave his name to the community. The Choctaws had informed Stafford about a mineral spring in the area which they believed had the power to heal the sick and wounded, and they used it for that purpose. The Stafford Mineral Springs and Hotel Company was established on May 19, 1892 in New Orleans. The following year, a bottling plant was established, and the mineral water from the spring was soon shipped around the country. In 1899, the Stafford Springs Hotel was opened. However, the company was eventually sold by its shareholders in 1918, and visitors ceased to arrive at the springs during the Great Depression. Despite this, the hotel remained operational for a limited time each year from April to September. The Stafford Springs Hotel was demolished in 1952, and the area was briefly used as a dude ranch. From 1962 to 1970, the Mississippi Art Colony was located in Stafford Springs. Additionally, a post office operated under the name Stafford Springs from 1919 to 1955. We enter Clark County, which must have been sharing paving operations with Jasper County, as you can see freshly paved asphalt and some road construction machinery alongside the road at the county line. The county is named for Joshua G. Clark, Mississippi's first state chancellor and a judge. As of the 2020 census, Clark County had a population of 15,615. we enter the town of Pachuta, named for the nearby Pachuta Creek. The town had a population of only 207 as of the 2020 census. Pachuta was established in 1882 when the New Orleans and Northeastern Railroad was constructed in the area. The town derived its name from the local Choctaw tribes who used to reside there before the railroad's arrival. The name Pachuta translates to "pigeons roost here," in reference to the abundant bird population in the area. State Highway 18 serves as Pachuta's main street running east-west, connecting the town with Clark County's county seat of Quitman to the east and Jasper County's seat of Bay Springs to the west. We enter the town of Enterprise here, and this is where we'll conclude today's video. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month you can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.